Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for all the subscriptions. Continue liking, continue commenting and sharing all my videos and my link to my channel. For today's video, it's going to be short for about 7 to 8 minutes. So kindly watch the whole video and like and comment. It's a video of me cleaning and just doing some decluttering. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy it and welcome. Bye. So that's a powder that I bought last year. It's called fenugreek powder. I use it for bloating and for digestion issues, but the main uses are for milk production in lactating mothers. It also helps a little bit in hair growth, a lot in hair growth and strong hair, but for me I use it for bloating. So as you can see, I've mixed it with rosemary and some hibiscus leaves just to make some tea, which I take in the morning. I try to take it at least 2 or 3 times a day in the morning. So that's the juice or the tea or whatever they call it. I had 1 1/4 glass. That's me gulping the whole glass. I prefer doing it this way because when I take in sips, I don't like the smell of the burnt beans or the fenugreek that I hear. Then these are my things that I've decluttered. I want to clean them up. So some jewellery, some arts, a lot of things. So I try to clean by using bicarbonate soda and some liquid dishwashing soap. Then I soak my jewellery and pearls in water. Then yes, those are the things that I'm going to clean. My makeup. I wanted to rearrange my threads for sewing. So that's me starting up on cleaning. I use that Black Opal dupe foundation to highlight and conceal my eyebrows once I've drawn them. So yeah, that's what I'm going to work with today. I try to do this at least once in 2 weeks, mostly for makeup, because most of the time you find your eyeliner or your eye pencils, if they are not well protected, then they stain a lot of the makeups or anything that's close to them. So for foundation, I use NYX and I mix it with Revlon. I don't wear foundation every day. Only when I feel I need to go out, then I wear foundation. So that's me trying to clean everything and remove the eye pencil marks or stains, and then also the foundation stains and the powder stains. I find it relaxing when I'm cleaning my things. I don't like to have dust or dirt on my essential things, even when it comes to sprays. So this is me arranging my lipsticks. I have this small bag. It's quite dirty, but I'll wash it probably within the week. So I arrange my lipsticks in one bag, and then I also arrange my brushes and my eye products in another bag. So I have quite a number of brushes. My brushes are also stained, so I think within the week I'll wash them. This basket of mine, I bought it at 30 shillings while working in Mukuru. I had about 3 or 4 and my mom took the rest, so this is the one that I've remained with. I use it to to arrange my facial products. Yeah, so that's what I use it for. Most of my products, my facial products, are finished, so I'll have to go buy some soon. And yeah, I've started using aloe vera gel, but I realized the last time I bought this one, it's not as exact as the previous one. It's it has a scent, and it's not working as well as the other one. So this is me arranging my foundations. I like this makeup bag. My mom bought it for me, and yeah, I still like using hand sanitizer, especially when I'm putting on my makeup. So I try to make sure that both sides of the bag are filled. Yes, that's got to be. Then, of course, yes, a lube, which is very important. I put all my small earrings in that blue thing, and then the ones that are medium sized, I put them in this ceramic uh, thing. Then the ones that are big, I normally have a different place to put them. So this decorative stone jar, these are stones that I've collected from like 5 counties. So whenever I visit a county, I like to collect those small stones, and I have a number that I'll also put in a different jar. More I have more of the stones. I really like decorating like that, and also putting them on vases of flowers. They make everything look nice. So this is me. This is the end product after I've arranged.